everybody, it's Sal Pierre, and I'm here with my business partner.
Hey everyone, Alex Athey.
And we are at our headquarters in Orlando, Florida, and we are taking you right now and kind of showing you what the different skill usage are. And right now we are in article writer. This is one of the first skills we actually started with, and it creates up to 1,500 word articles in stages, in 3 stages. And as with all our skills, you get 3 generations for 1. Right now, we're not using the Haley AI settings, but you do have those options. Haley AI settings are not available with all skills, but it is available on the article skills. So if you do want to generate some articles that have different emotional, intelligent tones to it, or do have a more artistic writing style, or want to write fiction or nonfiction, you'll be able to do that here. Again, on the left-hand side, you'll have the article generation, which will give you a brief description of what the skill is about and cost usage, etc. On the right-hand side, you have developer notes written by
me. And it took a lot of work, and I tested every one of these.
So for this example, we're just going to grab one of the examples. But remember, you always have a little microphone button that you could press, and you could just tell Satellite Writer what you want, and it will generate it for you. So let's go ahead and type in this example. And this is how to look stylish when sleeping. I need to know this. This is an interesting thing. The loader will tell you what stage of the satellite connection you're in before your content is delivered.
The cool thing about this skill, though, is like I've tested Haley AI with a lot of different it kind of sounds out there how to look stylish while sleeping, but she will come up with something coherent and interesting. Like I've given her some off-the-wall headlines, and it's been a strong article, just has a provocative first line.
And as you can see, you always get delivered 3 outputs. Something that I want to mention here, you have a little speaker above the output. So if you just want to listen to what's going on, you can click on that and it will play whatever she wrote. She'll read it out to you. You can also get this audio file in the editor and download it directly. And it will give you an MP3 file or WAV file. MP3 file. So MP3, and then you'll get your statistics on the article. Now, the cool thing about the article here is not only can it write it, but you can expand. So some skills like the article writer have an expand capability. So as you can see, when you select your draft, if you scroll a little bit down, you'll see 3 buttons: expand, reload, and finalize. Finalizing will bring you into the editor, reloading will reload the skill, and expand will actually expand the current article, your current selection. So if you wanted more than 500 words as that article, 486 words, you wanted more than that, you'll click on expand, and then Satellite Writer through the Haley AI API will go back to work, take that initial article and expand it in a meaningful way. And again, it will still give you 3 generations the next time that continue your article. So you do have a little choice to make. You'd be like, oh, well, I like this better, or I like this better, or I like this better. And I want to say Satellite Writer is the only tool that does that. I haven't seen it in any other AI tool. So now you can see that your articles have expanded to about 900 and something words, and they became more coherent, and there's more to talk about, really, in the articles. And there's 3 different choices. Again, here you'll do the same thing. You'll select the one that you want. You can have Haley read it to you if you'd like. You can download it. That's pretty good, huh?
It's interesting. So like one direction she went, imagine yourself as a beautiful person. 1, get up early. Get up slowly.
Yeah, get up slowly. You look a lot better getting up. Everything looks better in slow motion.
I like to wear a white too.
Oh yeah. So you choose one, and you'll have the same 3 options that you had on the previous screen. You'll have your expand, reload, and finalize. And out of that, you can just we're going to finalize for this purpose. And then you'll be able to kind of go into the editor and see the article that you chose. And on the right-hand side now, you'll see Haley AI recommendations. And these are grammar, spelling, word recommendations to make it sound better. On top, you have your save, download, exit, plagiarism check, which I didn't really touch up on some of the other skill descriptions, but I think for long form like this, we should talk about it a little bit. If you click on that plagiarism check, our AI will go through Copyscape API, and then we'll scan the document that was created for you, ensuring that it's not copywritten. It's not plagiarized. It's not anywhere else on the way. It's original works made specifically to your order, so you'll never find anything like that. As you scroll down, you'll see the same deal here. You'll get 3 images with your generation. If you do not like these images, you could refresh images. And furthermore, if you're like, hey, I still didn't find any, you could do a search on the specific topic that you were interested in. And our API will pull back specific images related to the keyword that you looked up. Lastly, you have your content information. You can see all your statistical information, such as grade level, readability score, and word count. And you can download all of this into a single zip file, which will include your Word document in multiple formats: PDF, text, Word, and even the images to go along with it. With that being said, thank you so much for joining us on a little tutorial about how to use Satellite Writer to write articles.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you get a lot of great use out of it.
All right. We'll see you on the next one.
Till next time.